So today we will be studying how to recognize a conjugated system. See, in case of organic chemistry, resonance is the heart of organic chemistry, right? If you know the concept of resonance very clearly, almost 80% of organic chemistry is done, right? Now, before moving into resonance, we need to understand the basic concept behind it, which is conjugation. So, let us understand how to recognize a conjugated system. What is a conjugated system, right? So, in front of you, I will be drawing this mind map where I will be telling you the different conjugated systems, and once you know how to recognize a conjugated system, it will be very easy for you to draw the resonating structures. So, let us get started. So, different conjugated systems okay. So, the number one conjugated system is, you need to just look for one bond distance between a double bond, the very first conjugated system. So, how to recognize it? If there is a one bond distance between two double bonds, it will be a conjugated system, right? Then the second one, you need to find out if there is a one bond distance between a double bond and a lone pair. So, one bond distance between a double bond and lone pair. Okay. So, the next one is, let us move it on the other side. Okay. So, next one is, we need to find out if there is a one bond distance between a double bond and a positive charge. So, one bond distance between a double bond and a positive charge. Very simple to recognize, okay? It is not tough, you just have to find out, look for these 5 things and you will be able to recognize a conjugated system. So, next, if there is a one bond distance between a double bond and a negative charge. Between a double bond and a negative charge. Okay. So, you will find it very easy now to recognize a conjugated system. And the fifth one, the last one is, if there is a one bond distance between a double bond and a free radical. One bond distance between a double bond okay. So, I think it should be clear to you now. What students do is, they start drawing the resonating structures directly without understanding the concept of conjugation. Now, if you know what is conjugation exactly, only then you will be able to draw the resonating structures, because resonance is going to happen only conjugated systems. Okay, so the basic concept behind resonance is conjugation, and do share in the comments below if you have liked it and if you have got some value and now you feel that this is simple to recognize a conjugated system. Bye bye.